What's up, guys? So I haven't had a chance to record a video in a couple of days. I've been super busy, and frankly, there weren't any really clean trades, unlike today. So I kind of messed up trading Foot Locker today in the open. Not really good with opens just because it's getting more and more volatile for me. Even if I can assess the situation, I can't really figure out where the risk is because of the spread and how volatile and how fast the stock moves. So I knew Foot Locker was going down. It was on a short sell restriction, so I can't really short it. I couldn't get in, and then when I finally get in, it bounced on me. So it got stopped out here, tried it again here, it got stopped out again. So lost money here, but I made some back on this trade up here. I saw that, okay, it's not short, it was holding this level, and then there's the EMA SMA cross. There's actually a level up here that I marked from the daily level, 39.70 something. So I was hoping it would go into that. So I took small size 200 shares. It popped, got out some here because it was struggling, and then on the way up, got out right at that level. It did try to test that level again later on after the pullback. And then after that, it just collapsed. So this is a very strong level of resistance or support, depending on which side of it you're on. But overall, I lost money on Foot Locker. It was not fun. The PSTG, I lost money on this one as well. Again, it's in the open, holding this level. And this is actually a really stupid mistake of mine. If we look at the 60-minute, we'll see why this is a dumb mistake. So it's actually on the 60-minute chart. Where is this? PSTG. Yeah, I don't see the level here. Is it PSTG? Oh no, JWN. Sorry. So wrong stock about the 60-minute. But this is still a stupid mistake. We look at it here. It was just really choppy, up and down, up and down. What got me confused is on the 5-minute, you have this huge wick here. So to me, this is a very bearish sign, indecision, and then on this one, it looked like it was going down. So I took it on the short side, that had it covered, and then I flipped my position going long. It didn't really break this level either, so I stopped out. Obviously, I was doing this the entire morning until around 10:30ish when it decided to go up. So that was a very bad trade. Lost money on that one. And then JWN is a stupid mistake here. I only did this once. I went short, added to it, which was stupid, and then I stopped out. I really think that was just a minor pullback. On the 1 minute, this is how it looks like. I saw that I was going to break this level, went short, it pulled back, and then I took it at this EMA. When it bounced back, I just stopped out here. Reason for this is stupid is on the 60-minute, you see the candles are actually riding right on this SMA here. So it's not going to break this. And that's why it went on the way up. So that was that. The good trades that I had were actually on CGC. So for CGC, I did a reversal on this one. What I did was I saw that it tried to break the SMA, didn't happen. Went back up here and looked like it was going to cross. So I added to it, and then on the way down, I actually kept on adding with a stop down here. And this is, it looks kind of big, but it's not actually. It's only 10 cents from the 18, I think the average for this is like 18.25 or whatever to like 18.14, so 10 or 11 cents. Small size, it looks like it's a lot, but it's actually not. At the end of this is 600 shares, and then I got out some here just in case it dumps. Sometimes it does do that, it goes up, couldn't hold the level, and then it'll pull back. My goal was just to have 500 shares. It did pop up, so I got out some more here at this level, because it's below this, so this is a level of resistance, and then it popped up. So I actually got out a majority of my shares, even though my profit target was actually on here at the VWAP, but it was struggling mightily here. It held this for 5-6 minutes, actually probably more, 8 minutes or so, nearly 10 minutes. So I got out, and then I just left 100 shares for my profit target level. So it did eventually hit it. So that was my trade in CGC. So that was that, and then BZUN. So I actually tried to scalp this twice. So here I tried to scalp it, and I realized I was too close to the SMA, so I got out, pretty much break even. Did the same thing here. I tried to scalp it, and then I realized, it's not gonna break this EMA. SMA is coming down, so I got out. And then when it did bottom out down here, I was watching it. It was just struggling here, and then on the bottom there's a 3305 level. Sometimes it hits it, sometimes it doesn't. This is just a range. So when I saw I was struggling to break this, I realized this may be a level of support. So I added. I went back in 100 shares. It popped up. I added some more on the pullback. I added. I should have added on the way up. Just because of how far it is from the SMA still. Even if I were to add it, maybe I should add it on this side of things. But nonetheless, I added, and then I survived this pullback just because this is a pretty slow moving stock. This is 10 cents away, very similar to CGC. Could probably add more here, but I wasn't sure if it's going to break down to 3305, so I wanted to leave some buying power in case it does break down a bit below that level. Sometimes it does do a pullback, breaks down below the level of support or resistance, and then goes back up. So I didn't want to add to my position anymore. But a smarter one would be just to wait until this happens. Either way, it's not a bad execution. On the way up, I just took some profit here. At 33, I wanted to get it at 33.75. Looked like it was struggling at that level, so I just got out 100 shares here. And this is a 900 share position. Got out some here, and then on the way up, it was struggling a lot at the 33.80 level, similar to CGC. So I got out a majority of it here, and then I wanted to hit 34 and get out. So I set basically a stop limit. See if I hit 34, especially with these candlesticks. I wasn't very certain about that. It did drop on me, and so my stop just got me out at 33.90. Eventually, it did break VWAP, which was actually my original target, but I also saw that this 300 SMA was coming down. I didn't want to risk that, because sometimes that does influence how the stock behaves. So it may not make it to VWAP, so I was being conservative there because I lost money in the first 30 minutes or so. So I wanted to end the day positive and green. So these two trades on BZUN and CGC made my day very good. So that was it. But it would have been better if I didn't mess around in the open. So probably I'm going to try to not take those types of opening trades anymore, at least until the stock finds a direction to go. So that's probably what I'm going to do. So that's it for the day. Thanks. And please like and subscribe.